Welcome to Identifying and Correcting Run-On Sentences and Comma Splices. I'm Miss McMillen with Collin College. So what is a run-on sentence? A run-on sentence is when the author has written a sentence that contains two independent clauses that run together without the proper punctuation, transitions, or coordinating conjunctions. A run-on sentence can also contain a comma splice. A comma splice is a comma that is randomly used to show that a sentence has two parts. However, this is not the proper use of a comma. How do we correct run-on sentences? Let's take, for example, the sentence that states, Gabe went to the store, comma, he forgot the milk. Incorrect run-on. Acceptable corrections for this sentence are, Gabe went to the store, period, he forgot the milk. Gabe went to the store, semicolon, he forgot the milk. Gabe went to the store, comma, but he forgot to buy the milk. And last but not least, Gabe went to the store, semicolon, unfortunately, comma, he forgot to buy the milk. Let's review the ways to correct run-on sentences. 3 ways. A semicolon can correct two independent clauses. Gabe went to the store, semicolon, he forgot the milk. Using a comma alongside a coordinating conjunction such as but, or, for, nor, yet, or so is also a solution. Gabe went to the store, comma, but he forgot the milk. Or using a combination of semicolon, unfortunately, or other words like therefore, we can correct the sentence as follows. Gabe went to the store, semicolon, unfortunately, he forgot to buy the milk. So, what is a comma splice and how do we correct it? A comma splice is when a writer uses a comma to connect two independent clauses when they should be using proper punctuation to connect the clauses. For example, Jenny loves to cook on the grill outside, comma, she hates cooking indoors. Incorrect, comma splice, because the two sentences are run together, connected only with a comma. What are 3 possible corrections? Jenny loves to cook on the grill outside, semicolon, she hates cooking indoors. Jenny loves to cook on the grill outside, comma, but she hates cooking indoors. Jenny loves to cook on the grill outside, semicolon, unfortunately, comma, she hates cooking indoors. These are ways to correct the comma splice. So let's review correcting run-on sentences and comma splices. A comma splice is never used to represent a way to connect two independent clauses. A comma splice can be corrected in the same way as a run-on sentence can be corrected. To correct both a comma splice or a run-on sentence, use one of the 3 methods below. A semicolon or a period, a coordinating conjunction, typically and, but, or, for, so, and yet, or a semicolon and a word such as semicolon therefore, comma, semicolon unfortunately, comma, semicolon however, comma. All of these are ways to fix your run-on sentences and or comma splices. So let's look at some additional hints and tips. Do not avoid using 2 sentences together that are properly punctuated. In other words, do not take the easy way out by adding a period each time you find and correct a run-on sentence. Smart students are pushing themselves to use complicated sentences. Use the semicolon alone sparingly. Most professors like to see the semicolon singularly used when students are trying to be more powerful in their punctuation. Thank you so much for joining us today.